Hi, welcome back to 8-Bit Resurgence. I'm starting a new series of videos that follow the things that I do during the day in installing things in old Commodores, repairing old 8-bit machines. I take a lot of video in with the thought of making a larger video from them, and a lot of times they just get left behind. They're smaller things like testing something that I've developed that I'm not sure is going to become a product or not, or just testing new devices that I've created. All sorts of different videos that I shoot, and I thought, they might be interesting for you guys to watch. I don't talk in them. I just basically go about my day, trying things out, testing things, installing things. The series of videos are going to be entitled ASMR, and those are basically videos with no talking, and it's just more about the sights and the sounds of what's happening. So you'll see me soldering, and you'll see me testing equipment, installing things. There'll be maybe some still pictures, and then coupled with a little bit of video. Anyway, I thought I would try that and see if you guys like seeing behind the scenes, what kind of things I do during the day, and the kind of things that maybe won't amount to anything. Maybe it's a repair, maybe it's soldering up a new open source board, and maybe you can glean some techniques from what I'm doing. Who knows what you can get out of it? Or you just enjoy the ticking sounds of things and the sizzle of the solder, and who knows? It's just something a little different, and I thought it might be fun to try it out. And I guess the number of views and number of comments will tell me whether I should continue doing this or not. So I'll start with this particular video. It's normally these will not have an intro like this. They'll just start up. But this particular one is about the Excelerator Plus drive. There's the tracker prototype board that I used for figuring out problems and developing new circuits for the master tracker. That's this board. You'll see a couple of different versions in this ASMR video, where I've wired it into the accelerator and start testing it. I format a disk, and the last one I'm actually loading GEOS, so you can see the flurry of activity where the head goes, and it's rather quite interesting. So that's the plan, and there'll be a separate playlist on the channel that you'll be able to see. These videos will come out more frequently, of course, because I'm shooting video all the time. Most of it you guys never get to see, but there's a lot of interesting stuff that I shoot, so maybe you'll get a kick out of it. So anyway, I'll stop talking and start playing these things. Let me know in the comments if you like it, and if you do enjoy these, maybe you want to subscribe. That would be awesome. Let's start this series.